name is Mihlali Shon Changana. I'm a Phase 2 Goal for Gold student. I joined Goal for Gold in 2018. Back then, I didn't know what I was doing, but now at least the future looks promising and I know where I'm heading. So that's a special thanks to the Rotary Helderberg Sunrise Club and Mr. Richard Saxby. I just wanted to say thank you for sponsoring me. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for supporting the dreams of a poor young man trying to change his life. With your help, I was able to enhance my mathematics and physical science marks. I was enabled to cultivate my skills. I was enabled to learn how to be a great leader. Even here at work, that helped me a lot when it comes to managing people. So I just wanted to express my deepest gratitude. Thank you very much for what you have done for me. I promise to make you really proud. Thank you, thank you.